hop. So everybody gonna dance a hip hop, alright? Individually. So after that individual dance, group dance, alright? So, okay, sino ang dyan, come on. Everybody, ako si Verhel, dito tayo mag-start sa kaliwa, ha? Okay, lumipat kasi kayo. Alright, so,
no limit.
Alright, contestant number 1, Verhel.
Move on and back for the next 5 years. In the dance floor, oh yeah. The new no limit, baby. Second and check. Master P. Okay. Crazy. You got the
Alright, contestant number 2, come on. Si Katrina lang, di ba? And Bukol! Diba? Para si Katrina lang din. And Bukol din. Back to your position. Back to your place. Alright. For the last time. Everybody come on. Harap dito lahat. Harap dito. Alright, diba? Alright, thank you so much guys. Back to your places. Come on. No, back to your places. Please, come on, iba. Para to kay Dong. Dong, you know what? Hindi to plano ha, pero I just wanna do something for you. Alright, so,
huli pa mamaalam.
dito tayo, come on guys. Pila tayo ng ayos. From,
bukas na.
Nasa number 1. Kay Verhel, palapakan natin si Verhel. Alright, ayan ha. Nakasalanay sa palapak ninyo. Number 2.
John
Hip
Friend.
hop number 2.
John Friend. Yeah!
Parang. Number 3. Number 4. Hindi na dahil sa pagpogi.
Woo!
Oh, wala ko. Number 5, si Bukol. Alright, so.
Bukol.
Dito kayo.
Pang-porno pa rin yun siya.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4.
Yeah, boy!
Alright, so the winner is number 3. Pero hindi tayo nagtatapos, di ba? Malay mo, babawi ito sa sexy dance, di ba? So,
puta, kailangan.
Guys.
Kailangan pala ng alcohol.
alright, so the criteria is, pag mas daring ka, mas malakas ang impact mo. So, take it on.
Beren.
One by one, alright? So this time...
Yoshi.
Alright, so back to our places, guys. Alright, so this... One by one.
Babae naman.
No, next ang babae dyan. Alright, so this time, back to number 1. Alright, take it off your mouth. Yeah, depende yan sa das. Alright. Highlight mo. Alright, that's it. Come on. Pakita mo ang galing mo. Verhel. Make the best of it. Alright.
Si Boss Perdi yung mananagana dyan.
Next. Okay, so, what's your name? Jan, are you ready?
Yeah.
Which one? Hip hop or sexy dance do you like? Sexy dance. So, are you good in sexy dance? Tika muna, nangangampanya ka ng palakpak eh. Alright, so let's start to dance with number 2. Here we go now.
Tara na!
Okay, bigyan na style. Alright! Parang sumasakay lang sa ano ng barko ah.
Pare!
Come on!
Pare!
Alright, contestant number 2, thank you so much.
Para
Okay,
wala-
guys.
Pare!
So, dito. What's
Jan.
your name? You are... Ay, wag lang. Pag nagbubuhos kayo, wag lang dito sa malapit sa TV, ha?
Jan!
Sa
Para nawala na
kayo
ng girlfriend
monitor.
ah! Para nawala na ng girlfriend!
Ferdy. Ferdy. So, ibay tayo kay Ferdy. Bigyan naman natin ng space si Ferdy to dance. People, handa na ba kayo dyan? Alright, so this time we're gonna dance for number 3. Ferdy. Whoa, whoa. Down, Ferdy! Down, Ferdy, down! Bakla pala to eh. Alright, we have. Thank you so much, dancer number 3, Ferdy. Palapakan naman natin si Ferdy. Ang taray ng belt mo, parang belt lang ng aso, ha? Alright. Si Bukol.
Bukol!
What's your name? You are?
Francis!
Francis. Come on, Francis. Join me here. Come on. You know what? Napapansin ko lahat kanina eh. Mas magaling ka gumili. So dito natin makikita, mapapansin natin, mapapatunayan natin kung talaga you are one of the good dancers tonight.
Pare!
So,
Pare!
show your talent to everybody. And alright! Take it up! Take it up! Take it up! Oh, oh, oh. Bukas YouTube kayo! Alright, guys!
Bukol! Pare!
So listen, there you have, you are. Francis, thank you so much. Last, syempre.
Yan na! Woo!
Bukol, I just wanna ask you something. Ilang araw mo to, ilang linggo mo to pinaghandaan ang pating palaki na ito? Ilang araw mo pinaghandaan?
2 minutes
ago.
2 minutes.
A minute ago, which one dance na paghanda mo? Kay Katrina o kay Hayden?
Hayden.
Kay Hayden. Alin Junisha. Alin Junisha. Kaya ako nalamoy ko, amoy alkampol. Alright, so, here we go. Bukol. May choreography pa ito, may choreography pa! Oh, bigyan mo, giveaway mo muna kay ano yan, kay Bukol. Come on, follow it, come on, continue. Alright.
Tayo na mabukol!
So guys, ano, ako kasali ako? Kasali ako? Ako kasali ako? Pangit naman, huwag naman ako. Ano ba yan? Nakakaya, may mga girls eh. Hey, come on, DJ. Guys, gusto niyo ba sumayaw ako? Yaman na eh. Gusto niyo ba sumayaw ako? Hiya, ano man naman DJ?
Let's get party, yeah?
Alright, come on.
Woo! Pissing hot! Ooh la la! Hey, what's your clothes, baby?
Alright, guys, let's go back here to your places. Back to your places. So this time we're gonna announce the winner. Alright, come on.
Ay, isang bucket of the beer yan ha?
Isang packet daw to, isang packet daw sa winner.
Isang bucket of beer!
Isang packet, isang packet.
Sabay
Alright,
mo!
so, guys, palapakan natin dancer number 1. Number 2. Mahina. Number 3. Abay, ikaw na naman. Sanay ka talaga siguro sa bakla, no? Number 4. Number 5. Bukol. Alright, so
Pare, wala kang
we
kalisunan.
have the winner, Bukol. So this time, come on, Bukol.
Bukol, take
Go back here.
Bukol!
For
Bukol!
the last kiss. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Alright, here we go now for the last kiss.
Come on, DJ. Take off your clothes.